Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Gunpla Re-Review. I am Spicy Bill, and today we'll be looking at more transports for 1/44 scale high-grade Gunpla. So right here we have the high-grade Universal Sentry Base Jabber. This one is the one that they use for on Earth or atmosphere transportation for mobile suit that cannot fly. So obviously, if you guys watch Gundam Unicorn, I think this thing may look familiar. We have the a free Schneid on one of these Federation base jabber, which is being used by the Zeon Remnant. I know a free Schneid probably have a bazooka or something. Yeah, so I couldn't find the bazooka for the Schneid, but anyway, I think this will have to do. So obviously we have this base jabber right here being used for transportation purposes. I forgot the exact name of this model, but anyway, yeah. So it's a pretty popular. I know this color probably isn't the right color for the Zeon Remnant. This is used by the Federation, mostly used by the Jestas, I think. I think there's like on the box of this kit, I remember there's a Jesta like riding on the space jabber. And here we have the classic. We have the classic Zeon transport, the Dodai 2. So you can see the difference right here. In terms of size, obviously this one here is the X model, and this one here is high-grade Universal Sentry. So this kit here actually costs twice the amount of the high-grade Universal Sentry kit. This thing is like $40 for something. It's pretty much completely hollow. Yeah, I still need to repaint some of the parts on this kit, but still it looks pretty good. This one looks a lot better. It's got a lot of panel lining and it's got more gimmick. Obviously, you probably need a base from a master grade kit in order to get this thing, to prop this up, because I don't think it's going to be very stable if you use this on, one of those high grade action bases. Even the action base 4 or action base 5 will probably not do it. Maybe action base 5 would have enough parts to hold this up properly. I would still go with a classic action base 1. I think that, yeah, the action base 1 right here, this one right here. So anyway, let's go ahead and get the E3 off the base jabber. Take a look at the bottom. The bottom here we got these areas where you can attach landing gears. Oops, oh, there we go. That's probably just on. Let's just get this thing off the action base. It's got the action base connector, like right in here. So, yeah. And this is my special Sinanju action base. This thing is actually pretty nice. Okay, let's get that out of the way. So you have the action base connector. All these parts you have to paint, and you just go ahead and attach the landing gears to it. There we go, and then here's one more landing gear. And we also got the cover to cover this thing up. There we go, like that. Obviously on the bottom you got this rotating turret. I painted the camera right there. Put another Zeon logo on the back. Now we have some gimmick here. This is basically just a footrest. So if you have, if you want to, like your mobile suit to be like prone, you can put it in the prone position by pulling these out. This one right here is kind of tight, so you kind of want to be careful. There we go. Don't like apply too much force like this way, because you might accidentally break off these winglets. So just be careful. That we also got handles over here that allow you to hold on, mobile suit to hold on to the base jabber in the prone position. So yeah, just when you're pulling these out, if it's like, if there's too much friction, you just want to slowly work it like that, because if you apply too much force too fast, you might break off these pieces. I think a couple of them broken. So that's something to be aware of. Overall, this is very nice. I like this better than the Type 89 space base jabber. This is probably my favorite version of the base jabber. I think this is Type 92 or something. Type 93. I don't know. I don't know the exact name. I do have the original review, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll put the link in the video description. And that is pretty much it. So here we have the Dodai 2 and the base jabber. Take a look at that. Dodai 2 and the base jabber. Here's the E3 on the base jabber. Here's the E3 on the Dodai 2. I know the Dodai 2 is being used by the... I think the Dodai 2 was actually used in Unicorn 2. Or was it the Dodai 1? Well, one of them. Anyway. Yeah, there's also this full armor goof, I think. They never made that into a kit. I'd like to see that full armor goof. Or goof heavy type or something like that. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this review. Re-review. Let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching.